So this is from Coleen. This is their Glueless Wear and Go Curly Human Hair Wig. Now the length that I have is 24 inches, which retails for $194.62. So again, the texture is curly, and this is a 5x5 lace closure wig. Now some product features: it's glueless, 0 skills install, wear and go, 180% density, full and light and airy, soft and smooth, very manageable, low maintenance, beginner friendly, most affordable fullness curly wig, and can be a mid or side part. I went ahead and left it as a middle part. I could have plucked it out a little bit more, but I decided not to. Now, some more details about this wig. Once again, it's a wear and go 5x5 lace closure glueless wig. The hair texture is curly. The hair color is a natural color. This does come in other lengths as well. The density is 180%. Cap size is 22.5 inches or medium size, and the lace material is transparent Swiss lace. So I've cut the lace off, and now I'm going to add some water into this wig just to help define the curls some more. And plus, I really wanted to see how this wig looked, wet. Now I'm also going to be adding some mousse. I believe I used the Rutgers Root mousse. I'm out of it now, so I don't remember exactly what it's called, but I did add a little bit of mousse to this wig as well, just to see how the wig will take using mousse. Now I am loving how the water and the mousse brought out these curls a little bit more. It looks absolutely gorgeous. If you know me, sometimes I love me some big hair. I will definitely brush out a curly wig, but this one right here, she was made to add some water and some mousse. You don't have to add a lot, just enough, and there you go. Definitely will help bring those curls to life. Now, you guys will see that it did shed a little bit. I've been wearing this wig a lot recently. I also have plucked it in some areas. You guys are not going to see that. But as of recently, this wig has been shedding. But you have to remember, this is a curly wig. So curly wigs, they are going to shed. Especially once you go back in there and pluck it and do all that stuff, it's going to shed. But nothing too extreme. So I'm showing you guys all around. The front, side, the back, and the other side. The length is really nice, okay? Once again, 24 inches. It doesn't look 24 inches, but remember, curly hair does shrink. But either way, the length is absolutely good for me. Much it for this video. I do want to thank the company for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it, and of course I hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig, as far as the texture, length, all of that. Is this your type of wig? How does the wig look on me? Y'all know the usual. Now I do have a couple codes for you guys to use at checkout to save you some money. So if you want $60 off right now, the code is LIN60, capital L, lowercase IND, 60. Also, if you want $15 off, you can use my code LIN15, which is capital L, lowercase IND, 15. 5. So don't forget to put that in the little discount code at checkout. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.